So hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So for this vlog guys, I will be teaching you on how to make lesson plan. So hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So for this vlog guys, I will be teaching you on how to make lesson plan. So it's been a long time I never had a video because I am also busy with my module. So finally we done already answering my pre-final examination. So thank you so much to teachers out there. So thank you so much. So in this vlog guys, I will be teaching you on how to make lesson plan using 4S lesson plan. So not it doesn't mean guys that I am good enough in making lesson plan because I am still a student and I am still developing how to make a lesson plan. So because I have already an experience or background to make a lesson plan, and that was detailed lesson plan. So promise is not easy in making lesson plan, it's very complicated. So since that we are education, we are taking this course, so we should master in making lesson plan. So if you want to know the whole video or the whole concept of my lesson plan, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell to update my upcoming vlog. So before we start, I have something to share with you. So promise guys, I don't have any plan to make this video, but in the sense that somebody are asking me to make this video. So anyway guys, I just only give the format of the lesson plan and little discussion. So promise guys, in making lesson plan is not easy, it's very quite complicated because we have the format we need to follow, and especially during the demonstration is not easy because you are facing to your students. I was handling grade 3 students. So by the way guys, I am third year college right now. So let's proceed. So I will introduce first the 4A's. There are the 4A's in the lesson plan. So we have the activity, analysis, abstraction, and the application. So let's discuss first the activity. So this activity guys, this will be the prior knowledge of the student. So only you will be discuss the past lesson. So if they really answer your question, so that was the time that you need to proceed for the analysis. So this analysis guys, it has to you your strategy. You will be posting pictures that would be related your next topic, or you will be posting a question type that would be related to your topic. And the application, the abstraction, the third one is this is the time that you need to present your skills and the problem. So let the students know the problem guys, because in the first lesson plan we are on the learner centered. You are in the learner centered when you are making the lesson plan using 4S lesson plan. And the fourth one is the application. So simply for the application, so you need to set another application that the purpose of the application is to measure the knowledge of the student a certain topic that you discuss the lesson of the day. So that was the 4A's. First we have the activity, second is the analysis, the third one is the abstraction, and the fourth one is the application. Don't worry guys, because I will be put my link here so that you can get the you can secure the copy of the lesson plan. So let's jump to the part of the lesson plan guys. So there are 5 steps in making lesson plan. So remember guys, it should be written in the Roman numeral 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's discuss first the abstraction. So that is the one, that abstraction, first step. Second is the learning content. The third one is the procedure. The fourth one is the evaluation, and the fifth one is the assignment. So let's start first with the objectives. So my objectives in my lesson plan guys is identifies the main idea of the given paragraph. So this is my objectives, and remember guys that your objective, it should be congruent to the last part of the lesson plan, which is the assignment. So in the Roman numeral 2, which is the learning content, so under the learning content, guys, we have the four subtopic. First, A, we have the content. B, reference. D is the materials, and the fourth one is the values infusion. So my content here is identify the main idea of the given paragraph. And the reference, so you need to include the reference, the book you are using, or you need to include the author. The materials, so my materials, I was using the books, slide decks, or presentation. And this is the values infusion. So my values infusion, guys, is love our creatures. And remember, guys, when you use a values infusion, it should be related also to your topic, because my topic is about natures. So that is why I am choosing the love of our creatures. So the third steps in making lesson plan is the procedure. So in the procedure, we have A and B. So let's proceed to A. So preliminary activities. In preliminary activities, there is also a subtopic. So we have the drill, review, and motivation. So the drill, guys, it is up to you. It asks for us what strategy we need to inject to our learners, future learners. And the review, so you need to recall the past lesson simply. And motivation, so the purpose of the motivation, guys, is to catch the attention of your students. So that is the motivation. So you will present video clips, you will present a chart, you will present a game. So it is our strategy to our future students, guys. So we have B, activity. So this is the time that you need to start your 4A's. So we need to discuss the A. So the activity, guys, remember that activity, this is the prior knowledge of the students. You need to ask question for them if they really understand if they really recall the topic what you have discussed. And next, we have the letter C is the analysis. So the analysis, so this will be the time that you need to present that would be related to your topic of the day. So that is the purpose of the analysis. So it could be question type, it could be you can post call these pictures that it would be related to your next topic. So next, we have the abstraction. So under the abstraction, guys, we have the three subtopics. We have the presentation, discussion, and activity or practice exercises. So that is under the abstraction. So let's proceed first the presentation. So the teachers present the lesson of the day. So you need to present the skills. So my skills here is identifies the main idea of the paragraph. So in the problem, so remember, guys, in the problem, let the student discover the problem, because has been said that in the lesson plan, using for as lesson plan, that your learner centered, your student is a learner centered. Okay, so make lesson plan. So let the students know the problem or discover the problem. Next, we have the discussion. So this is the time that we need to discuss or explain more further of the topic, so that they will be able to understand the lesson of the day. And you will be my sample here is the paragraph. So I will still presenting the paragraph so that they will know or they will identify the main idea of the paragraph. So all of my activity is all about paragraphs, a short paragraph. So next, we have the activity and guided practice or practice exercises. So my strategy here is I divided my students into 2 or 3. Then you have a group 1, group 2, group 3. So it's up to you what strategy you want to inject your students. So in a group 1, so you still present a paragraph. Group 2, you need to still present a paragraph, and also in the group 3, so you need to present also the paragraph. So all you have to do is to identify the main idea of the paragraph. So if they really understand the topic what you have discussed, earlier about the main idea of the paragraph. So later this we have the generalization. So in generalization, so you need to present the concept of the main idea. So you put here, you fix your concept, you discuss the concept of your topic of the day, so that they will be able to understand and they will be able to absorb the topic of the day. So that is the purpose of the generalization. So the fourth one is the application. So in the application, so the teacher set another application or set another of activities, so that the purpose of application is to measure the knowledge of the students, if they really understand your lesson of the day. If not, so that this is the time, according to our teacher, this is the time that you need to recall, or you have the remedial class. So if they really understand, so if they understand, so you need to proceed to another topic and the following day. And next we have the evaluation, the five lesson plan. The last 5 lesson plan is the evaluation. So in the evaluation is you need to present again another a set of assessment, if they really understand. So just recall as long as they understand. And next, still you need to present. Here I am still present a paragraph. So all you have to do is to identify the main idea of the paragraph. So last part of the lesson plan is the assignment. So this is the last part of the lesson plan, is the assignment. Still to identify the main paragraph of the main idea of the paragraph. So I still present another paragraph. So if you can see here, another paragraph. So remember guys that according to our teacher, that your objective, it should be connected until the last part of the paragraph, which is the assignment. So the content, the activities, it should be identified, because your objective here is to identify. So it depends on you what kind of objectives you are going to proceed. So for me, I am using identifies the main idea of the paragraph. So again guys, I will recall the 4A's. We have the 4A's, we have the activity, analysis, abstraction, and the application. That is a 4A's guys. And the 5 part of the lesson plan, which is the objectives, learning content, procedures, evaluation, and assignment. So this is the 5 parts of the lesson plan. And that's all for today's guys, and I hope that you will understand my lesson plan proper. So my lesson plan, so don't worry guys, because I will be putting here the link of my lesson plan, so that you have a copy, or to secure a copy of my lesson plan. And thank you so much guys for watching my video, and good luck with us education students. Thank you so much, and God bless, and keep safe everyone. Bye.